were on our journey home. We'd had a pretty average night camping. A local had come by and let us know there'd been a spate of vehicle thefts, so we were one ear on the bikes all night. Bob or I did not get a good sleep. Early morning travel on these roads means looking out for roos. We definitely encountered our fair share. Thankfully, they were uneventful encounters. The weather started to warm up. Bob and I had decided to take an alternate route home because the road there was super boring. Let's chuck a little adventure in and go a different way, yeah? Slowly we noticed that these roads were becoming worse and worse. Hang on a minute. Did either of us look up if these were sealed roads? It was getting to the point where it actually didn't matter if they were sealed roads or not. The condition of the roads was horrible. It turned into dirt after a while, and we figured, well, it must be just a short patch of roadworks. She'll be right. No sense in turning around right now. We're about an hour from home. Bob only had a small tank. Fuel stops were few and far between. But the dirt just kept getting thicker. And it actually wasn't even dirt. It was gravel. It hadn't been compacted. And geez, it was all over the shop. I was having a pretty fun time scrubbing in new tyres on conditions like this. I wish I had filmed it, but we actually had to stop mid-ride here because Bob had run out of fuel and needed to fill up with his jerry can. At that stage, I was just concentrating on keeping my bike upright. As the saying goes, nothing worth having comes easy. And this trip was well worth having. Catch ya.